kind to you her. Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to present yourself and present others from this coronavirus. So let's get started. First of all, before you eat, or before you let me breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Yes, let's go. So follow the instruction, please, my people. Follow the instruction. Follow the instruction they are giving to you and I and everybody. You understand? Please, guys, follow the instruction. So first of all, they said wash your hand very well. Your hands, wash it very well. I'll be showing you how to wash hands. So first of all, you see this product here, you go and buy it. You can buy 2, you can buy 3, you can buy more in your home, in your work, in your store, in your shop, to wash hands, and teach your child how to wash hands. So first of all, you see this soap, you put it in your hand like this. Look at it very well. Are you guys seeing it? So me, I like this type because of the foam. You can see it now. Because of the foam, I like it very well. So you press it like this, then you will wash your hands very well, very well. Look at me, very well, from this coronavirus. Please guys, share the video. Let it bless others. Let others learn from it. So you wash your hands very well, very, very well. Wash it very well. Wash it very well, very well. This place, wash it, and after washing it, you will now take the water. You rinse your hand. This is the water now. You can see that I'm rinsing my hands. And my people, so you rinse your hands very well. Rinse it very well. Use water to rinse it very well. And then you now take tissue. So you now take tissue paper. You clean it very well. Clean your hands very well. Please prevent yourself from this coronavirus and present others. So you now use, look at this. Do you see it? This is cleaning hands. It's battery cleaning hands. You don't need to rinse your hand after using it. So you take it like this. You put this on your hands. Let me show you. Look at it. Go and get it, my people. Buy many. Buy many. Put in your pocket. Put in your bag. Put inside your bag. Buy it and give it to your children, your kids, to take to school, to use it to clean their hands always. Buy many. Go and get it. It's not that much expensive. Before it was €2 something. Now it's now €3 because everybody are buying it, and then I increase the price. So if you need any one, you can contact me. I have many. I sell them. I have a lot. Contact me. This is the soap to wash hand. I've shown you before. So contact me. Please share this video for others to learn how to prevent themselves from coronavirus. So I did not write it there. I will write it later. That one is no problem. So share it. You buy this. So you use it to clean your hand. Rub your hand very well. Use it to rub it. Use it to rub it. So this soap is for house or your shop or anywhere you are going. You can buy this and put it in your home or shop, just stop. But if you are going out, you don't have soap, you will wash your hand very well. Now there's soap everywhere because of the coronavirus. They have put soap everywhere. They have try to put soap everywhere, but this one is not there. This cleaning hands is not there. So you will now use it to wash. After washing your hands, use this to clean it. As I said earlier, go and get a lot of it. Put some inside your pocket. Put some inside your children pocket. Okay, put some inside your children bag to go to school. So you will now use this one to clean it. Then you will now use this. You see this man? Use it where they ask you to use it. They said when you are in public, you are in where people are many, use mask. Use mask. See this is mask. This is how to use it. You see, it's like this. You put it on your nose. It's like this. I want to remove my eyelash. Okay, let's go. No, it's not like this. I'm not wearing it well. Wait. Okay, it's like this. This one is front and this one is back. So it's like this. You see? Oh no, voila, it's like this. Voila, this is how they use it. So you put this like this. So wear mask, please, my people. Always wear mask. So this is it. You now wear your mask like this. Present yourself from this coronavirus. So this is the mask. Go and get mask. Get it. Get it. Go and buy it. It's not expensive. Buy this cleaning hands. If you don't, it's very scared now. It's very scared in supermarket. But in our supermarket, for now we don't have. If you see the way the customers are disturbing us for this thing, for this hand cleanings, they are disturbing us. But if you need anyone, contact me. Is what I sell. I have them a lot. So it's not that expensive. It's €3. Contact me, come and get it. Get a soap. Buy soap. You can get this big one. Put on your table. Put it in your table. Don't go and carry the one they use in the hospital. You can buy. It's not expensive, my people. So buy this one. Put on top of your table. Teach your children how to use it. Use it always to clean your hands. You see, it's coming out. And now I'm using it. I wash my hands. Use it to clean it very well. So prevent yourself from coronavirus. Don't stay close to people that have coffee. Don't stay close to people that are slimming. Shame. Don't stay close. Don't stay there. So when you stay in the class, you are in where there is plenty people. Wear mask. Always wash your hands. How many people now? How many people? So 714 people have already affected with coronavirus. How many? You see? How many people? 70 people have already dead. My people, coronavirus is real. Prevent yourself. Please, wear mask. If it's necessary, wear mask. Wash your hands. Go and take that, buy this product and wash your hand with this. Buy many, 3 euro for one. It will not kill you. Buy many, put some in your children bags. Teach them how to use it. Teach them how to wash their hands. Teach them how to wear mask if it's necessary, or if you are in crowd, you are inside crowd, you see everywhere in France they are blocked, they are closed up. They close their spectacle, they close their concert, they close their, even the footballer the other day, the foot, they close it. They ask only the footballer to play without supporter. So it's real. You know, we Africa people, we don't believe something easily. I'm telling you, my brothers and sisters, it's real. Get yourself cleaning gel. Go and get yourself cleaning gel. Put some inside your pocket. Put some inside your hands. Stay away from where crowded. Stay away from people that have coughing. Stay away from people that are sneezing. Stay away from them. And then if you know you are not okay, you are coughing, you are feeling lazy, you are feeling you can't breathe very well, call 115. Your temperature is getting high, don't go out, prevent yourself, call 15. Call 15. As I said, I repeat, call 15. Don't go anywhere. If you are all a part of the Europe, call 122. It's all over the Europe. 122. Call it. So if you are feeling lazy, I repeat, you are not breathing well, you are sneezing, you are coughing, your temperature is high, stay inside and call 15. Or you call 122. Save yourself from coronavirus. Teach your children how to wash their hands. Teach your children how to use this cleaning gel. Go and get many. Go and get them. Please share this video. Share it. Let others people learn what to do, how to prevent themselves. Not everybody is hearing this language. Many are not hearing the French. Many of our people, they know they hear French, so they know wetin they go home, so no they hear. So you share this video, let them listen to me. At least then we hear my language, then we hear what I'm speaking now. So let them listen to me and know how to prevent themselves from this coronavirus. So I repeat again, so share it. First of all, go and get this soap. You go buy this soap, buy it. They know the cost, the money no go kill you. Buy it. You see it, let me show you again. I will not wash my hands 2 times again. See the foam. This is how the foam, the soap foam. You see, you buy it, you put it in your home, put it in your workplace, put it in your shop, put it in your store where you work. So always use it to wash your hands. So after washing your hands, you can use this tissue and clean your hands very well. Don't be tired of washing hand though. Every minute they wash your hand. Every second they find where to wash your hand. So then you now use this gel, this cleaning gel. This one, you will keep this one for your house. This soap, go and keep it in your house. But this one, make sure you go and look for it. Go buy many. Make you put for your pocket, put for your bag, put for your children bag. Show them how to use it. If you don't see it, it's very scared. Now it's scared. I will not lie you. For our supermarket, they know they let us hear word. Even since morning, where I go work, I never hear work. Vous avez les jets, vous avez les défetons, vous avez les défetons. I don't tire, we no get again. They know they buy or you both go see they say you both know they fear death. Now lie you now you both fear death pass. Go see the way that they rush this clinic jet. So I have it. If you want to buy, contact me. It's not expensive. It's €3. Now before now €2 something. As everybody they rush on now hot cake now they can increase the price. So if you need anyone, contact me. Okay, you see the mark. It's Monoprix mark. It's good mark, quality mark. So if you dey anywhere where they tell you say make you use mask, not to say you know the free breathe wear, you no go use am. They say make una no dey stay for where plenty people dey. You understand? Don't stay for where plenty people dey. Anybody wey dey slim, she say make you no stay with am. Anybody wey dey cough, you say make una no stay with am. Make we no stay with am. And if you know say you dey cough, you dey slim, you know dey breathe well, your temperature dey high, stay inside, wear this mask, call 15 or you call 122. You understand? If you go to driving school, you go know say they say 122 is everywhere. Okay? So guys, prevent yourself very well. Teach your children how to wash hands. Their hands, teach them. Share this video to people wey no dey hear French, wey no dey hear language, make dem still listen, make dem know. The sickness is real. 700 and something na im don get am now, and 70 people don die. And most of them say, and the sickness they kill the people wey get sickness small for body. Some wey dem know say dem get sickness, dem get diabetes. Some wey dem know dem get HIV. Some wey dem know wey dem get cancer. Some wey dem know wey dem get sugar. All those ones dey okay. What of you wey no know say sugar don dey your body? You wey no know say you get the small sickness quick. So they say e dey affect them very well. You understand? So make you prevent yourself, please. You understand? Many people then they repeat and even our work, we know the hear word and they talk am for micro, that is speaker loud. How to prevent? Wash your hand regularly. Wash your hands, clean your hand. Stay away from crowd. Stay away from people that are coughing. Stay away from people that are sneezing. Don't near them. Some people then they wear hand gloves for work, for our work. You see them they wear, because to show you that the sickness is real, is very real. Okay? Please, even inside metro now, maybe some of you know the hear language, I no fit blame you. That is why they make this video. Make una for know wetin dem dey talk, wey dem dey announce inside metro everywhere now. Say coronavirus is real. It's killing people. 714 people don already get am for France. Even Paris, e don reach. And 70 people don already die. Make you dey wash your hands very well. Na only the solution be that. Only the way to prevent. Na only the way be that. You no get medicine, you no get cure. Okay? And prayerful. Be prayerful, my sisters and brothers. May we dey pray, because this one, e pass Oyibo hand. The Oyibo people, e pass them. So, wear your mask. Clean your hands. Use soap. Wash your hands. This one, e dey very scared now. No fit lie you. So if you need anyone, inbox me. Let's block. If you live around Paris, or if you want me to still post it to you, I can post them. So no, buy plenty. So on Thursday, is it not Thursday? Yes, on Thursday. Since then we not get, it's out of stock. On Thursday we can't receive some. We receive about 6 packets, 6 cartons. Can't see as customers they fight put. I even had some for all the salarié, the workers. For I had some, because all of them they beg me before, say if you come, me you give me, you give me. I go hide one carton. So me, I get some. You can buy, or even if I wish I want buy all of them, I go buy them. Oyibo no dey come, so you fit buy as many you want to buy for supermarket. They no dey owe person. So I go buy all of them, I come sell am for my people wey dey in need of it. So I buy some, I give some to my workers, and I box some. I took some home. So if you need it, call me, contact me, and wash your hands. I don talk, my people. Share the video. This video I go still put am for YouTube. It's not be everybody dey Facebook. Those wey still dey YouTube, wey dey watch YouTube, I go still go put am for my YouTube. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I dey do live video for there. No be things wey I dey do, almost everything wey I dey do for there I dey do for here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Lydia Goose TV, and you follow me on this page, and you follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to contact me if you want to buy hair, clothes, jewelry, shoe, whatever you want to buy. Please contact me. Okay, bye. I'll see if you want to stay, you can still stay, because I still have customer that is on this page that speak French. So I'm going to still use French to say it. So if you are still coming to look, you can still come back. Bye bye. Thanks.